24 hours non-stop, live all across the country.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Office of the President, the Governor of New York, the Department of Defense and the New York State Division of Homeland Security and Emergency Services. At approximately 10 a.m. during 4th of July celebrations, the Russian Federation launched a military invasion of the United States. Multiple hostile aircraft and naval vessels have been detected approaching the East Coast. Explosions and military activity have been reported in and around New York City, including areas near New York Harbor, Staten Island, and portions of Long Island. The situation is rapidly developing. All residents of New York City and surrounding counties should take the following actions immediately. Remain indoors and stay away from windows. Do not travel unless instructed by authorities. If you are attending 4th of July events, leave the area in an orderly manner and seek shelter in the nearest substantial building. Avoid bridges, tunnels, ports, and military installations. Keep roads clear for emergency responders and military personnel. If air raid sirens sound in your area, proceed to the lowest level of your building or to a designated shelter location. The United States Armed Forces, including the United States Army, Navy, Air Force, and Coast Guard, are responding to this situation. This is the beginning of an ongoing national emergency, and additional information will be provided as it becomes available. Stay tuned to local or your favorite source of media for further updates as the event continues.